Hello Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today. This is Laura Buchler of Inky Fingers Paper Crafting, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today I'm going to show you the reverse masking technique, which is a lovely way to make a striking, simple stamping card. I'm going to use the Daisy Lane stamp set and the 2-inch circle punch. The cardstock measurements for this very simple card are a card base of 5.5 by 8.5, and then I've got 2 pieces of white cardstock, and they're both the same size. They're both 4 by 5.25 inches. Then I've got another strip of cardstock, and this is just 3/4 of an inch by 5.25 inches. So the first thing I'm going to do is use my 2-inch circle punch to punch out a circle from one piece of the white cardstock. And now this has just become my mask. The reason to have these 2 pieces be the same size is that now I can very easily line them up together. And I'm going to use my sponge dauber to sponge ink all around this circle. The mask ends up looking really messy, as you can see. But despite looking messy, you can reuse it over and over again to make a whole stack of cards if you'd like. And once you've filled that in, have a look at what's happening underneath. Isn't that beautiful? Now I'm going to complete my stamping by adding this fern from the Daisy Lane stamp set and a sentiment, and I'm going to stamp both of those in basic black ink. Now with this little strip of cardstock, I'm going to run it through my embossing machine with the subtle 3D embossing folder just to give it a little bit of texture. Can you see that? And now I'm ready to assemble my card. That's how easy it is to do reverse masking. And there's my finished card. Now you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video. Leave a comment below and let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. If there's something specific you want to learn about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, and you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. During the COVID pandemic, I'm not offering in-person classes, but you can get all the details on Zoom virtual crafting sessions, class by mail options, and much, much more by subscribing to the monthly newsletter. Once COVID is over, I will once again be hosting in-person classes. If you're watching this on YouTube, I want to let you know that I have a Facebook page called Inky Fingers Paper Crafting, and you can join a weekly creative challenge and win a prize from me. If you do place an order, please use the current hostess code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code will get a free gift from me. If you'd like to earn your own hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200 or contact me, and we can start planning an online party for you. Drop me a line for more details. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stamping. Bye!